Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Yuan again from Chayatsuji Kimono. For today I'm not going to be visible, but my hands are, so I hope you'll be able to follow me nonetheless. For today, as we did a tutorial because, we were a Hakama and we got to store it, so then we have to fold it. So that's what we're going to do today. So this is a women's Hakama. That's all the pleats neatly aligned. So what we're first going to do is fold this Hakama into thirds. So first off, you want to fold the skirt. Now, I was going to mention I've seen two versions. One that the skirt is going to be folded either way, but mine came up folded lengthwise first, and then folded in three. So you might want to change your method depending on what kind of storage you have. I'm going to do the lengths folded first. That's right. So first up, you want to make sure that all the pleats are neatly aligned and they're laying flat as possible, with exceptions of the most outer folds. So once you've done that, making sure that everything is as neat as it can be, I'm going to fold the sides in. I want to show that you have a straight line from top to bottom. There we go, yeah. So then we're going to fold into thirds. Once again, making sure that all the pleats are neatly aligned. And there we go. Now this is the initial part. Now we still need to fold up these. So I'm just moving you a bit more, and then we're going to fold these. Right, so as you can see, I've just moved the Hakama a bit closer to me, and have you a little bit more closer to me as well. As you can see, you have two different widths of hemo, actually the cords. One is a smaller one and one is a wider one. Both will vary in length. Now you want to start with the smallest one and therefore also the longest one. You're always going to start on the left side, this one, and you're going to fold it in half. Just making sure that the ends are meeting up, and then fold this one again. And making sure that it has one nice diagonal line. And you're going to do the same with the other one. Fold it in half first. And again in half. Now they will shift a little bit, but that's okay. Just realign them and make sure that they kind of stay in place. So this is the first part, and the next part is again a little bit more tricky. So I'm going to do it a little bit slower so that you can just follow me. Now, again, starting on the left, this one will go underneath and that direction. So underneath, you want to hold both and then slowly grabbing the one and pulling it. Making sure that it's nice and tight. Well, I'm gonna leave this one for now. We're just going to take the white one, and this one, it will go on this side and then going underneath all the way across horizontally. And this is going to get a little bit tricky because they might slide around and going all sorts of directions, so to speak. There you go. You might not get it right on the first time, but that's totally okay. I needed to practice beforehand, just making sure that I got it. And then I'm gonna take the right one again. And we're going to slide it underneath. See, that's what I meant, making sure that everything is tight, sitting tight and in place. Now, as you can see, this one ends up here, but still you have a little bit of fabric left of the hem. Just fold it underneath. Now when we're done, we're going to grab this part again and then slide it underneath again. And tucking it in. And making sure that everything is all nice and neat. Now it kind of should look like you have a kind of like a square folded underneath each other. So this is what it should look like in the end. Now it's totally okay if you don't get it right on the first or second time. It takes a little bit of practice, but in the end this is how it should look like. So I hope that you have a little bit of more direction how to go in. If this is something you would want to watch more often, then please let me know in the comments down below. If you have any other suggestions or ideas or whatever, questions, let me know in the comments down below. And I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.